Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing Fabfitfun. Fabfitfun unboxing for summer of 2024. I did get this box a little bit faster, I think I haven't seen any YouTube videos or anyone announce it, but I think I got this one a little fast compared to everyone else. I don't know. I am an annual member, which means that I get to pick my stuff out beforehand before anyone else, and it usually ships out before anyone else. So I do pay for the annual membership, but I was going through a couple of hard issues here at home with my dog getting put down, just a lot of personal issues. So it's been a little struggle for me, and because of that I think I missed my window, so I did not choose anything that's in here. Fabfitfun chose everything for me. I don't know if I like that because I don't think I would pick any of the items in here. None of it. I looked at what they were gonna send me and I was like, why? How did I? Okay, I think I know how I missed it. I was very like into everything with my dog going on, but like, how did I miss it? That doesn't like me. I'm usually like on top of it, like at work at 9 a.m. like on my phone every single Friday of that season, or that whatever that season that's basically gonna be announced for the next season, because they usually do it like in spring for the summertime. But anyways, I am excited to see what is in here. But like I said, that I don't think I would have chose anything. But then again, you know, my opinions can change. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is the summer box. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. So one of the first items that I got is this whole, oh man, I just put in a battery and it's gonna die. I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if the setup's whatever. Okay, anyways, so I did get this towel. This is the Funboy Poolside Leslie Club towel, Leisure Club towel. This is 100% cotton, designed in LA, so it must be pretty pricey if it was designed in LA, because you know how they are. They like to upcharge everything. Ooh, it's actually pretty soft, and ooh, I like this. I do like this towel actually. I think this, I will get use out of this. So that is the towel right there. That is the design of the towel. It's just white and pink, but I actually really like it. I think I'm gonna get use out of this. It's very soft, plush. Okay, so I mean, I wouldn't choose it. Like I would choose, I don't know what the choices were. That's the thing. Usually when I go through and I scroll, I say choice number one is da 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 da, and I chose this. I can't give you that. Sorry, I suck. I know, can't give you that. So let me see what they have to say about this. Let me get into my Fabfitfun app. My customizations were. I'm pretty sure this was customization too, because it's in the second spot. This is $49, Poolside Leisure Club. Make sure you have cute new accessories for the poolside, blah 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 blah. Crap, whatever. Okay, anyways, yeah, not worth the price. You could get like similar towels at like Sam's Club, you know, for 10 bucks. So it's not worth the price, but I'm glad it's in here. I'm glad it's in here. This was for choice number one, what they chose for me. This is Business and Pleasure Co. I don't know what it is. I think it's a bag. I think it's a bag. Is it a cooler? Oh wait, this is sturdy. Oh, it's like a beach bag, and then you have your strap. Very padded strap. It's nice. Actually, don't hate this. I do like the color. I like the green. It is a cooler. Wait, this is gonna come in handy. Okay, I will use this. It's an ice pack cooler. It's with ice packs in the shade. I will use this. I think I got a cooler on last year's summer. Did I? I don't remember what I got last year, but this is very cool. I actually like this. This is pretty big. Like this will be good for like a picnic or a day at the beach. I do live like 30-40 minutes away from the beach. For like my closest beach is Newport Beach. I live in the outskirts of like LA, like Pomona, Ontario, Chino area. So I live in a suburb of LA, but like this would be pretty convenient for the beach, for a beach day, which I've been planning to do, but then every time it's like a nice day, like during the week for some reason it's all nice, and then like during the weekend it gets all gloomy and cold. I don't know why. California's so weird. It's gonna be like June. It's literally the middle of May while I'm filming this, and it's still cold. Like tomorrow's gonna be 68 degrees and it's close to June. That's weird. And then the Aurora Borealis, that's weird that it's happening here in the southern hemisphere, not necessarily the northern hemisphere. We're closest to the southern hemisphere. And for those of you who don't know, Aurora Borealis is the northern lights that everyone's freaking out about. You can see them even here closer to like in Big Bear. Big Bear's not that far away from me. It's super close, and like that's weird because that means that solar flares are very, very high right now closest to us. Creepy. Okay, and then I got this, which I think I actually will use. I don't know if I would pick everything. I wanted to see the other items. I unfortunately didn't see any sneak peeks. I told you it's been a hard couple of months. months for me personally. I feel like I'm finally getting my groove back. I finally feel like I'm not as stressed right now. So I feel like I'm, you know, filming a little bit better, have a better schedule of filming, uploading, which is good, but I kind of wish I would have known what the other stuff was. This is the Amika Smooth Over Fighting Frizz Treatment. I think what you do is after you shower, you put this all over your hair, let it sit. No, not after you shower, after you like shampoo and condition and stuff. This is like the last step. You put this oil all over in your hair, you let it sit for a couple minutes, I think like a few minutes, 60 seconds.
This 60-second at-home treatment reduces frizz. After cleansing and conditioning, squeeze excess water amount. Fully saturate product from mid-length to end. So
mid-length to end, so not necessarily up here, mid-length to end. And then it says
wait 1 minute, then rinse. Heat style for best results. For longer lasting results, ask your stylist for Amika Smooth Overnight, whatever. Blah, blah, blah.
So yeah. Then I got Spectrum. Wait, how much was that, Amika? Wait, how much was the cooler? First of all, Sally, do your job. The cooler was $100. I would never in a million years. I'm pretty sure you can find this at like TJ Maxx for like 20 bucks. 100? It's not locals. That's insane. Locals. Okay, they're crazy. Whatever. The Amika site, $32. I do believe this Amika's pretty pricey. You can't find it at Sephora. And Sephora products usually range in that zone. I think that Amika was number 4. This Spectrum brushes was number 6. And I think Spectrum brushes, they're overpriced and they're cheap, in my opinion. They're overpriced and cheap. You didn't hear it from me. You didn't. I don't know who told you. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. So these are the Spectrum brushes. So you did get 3 in this pack for $25. Get elf brushes. Elf brushes are like $3 a piece. Yeah, it's already like look at this. It's already like frayed. It might have been me because I put it incorrectly. But you get 3 brushes. And yeah, they feel cheap. They look cheap. They look like white listed, white company, something white branded, where you basically just like, you go to like this trade show and you say, ooh, I like these brushes, can you put my name on it? Yes. Okay, that's what that means. I always forget what it's called, but sure. Okay, then I got this. This is Truffle Eye Serum by Tryon, New York. Truffle Eye Serum. It's pretty big. Like, this will last you a couple months. It's gonna last you a while. 20 milliliters will last you a while. This is $76. Hold on, $76. Tan locos. I swear, these people are all crazy. $76. No, thank you. Can't give me product details. It keeps saying error. Look. There it is. I click on it. It says error. Whatever. I don't know what to tell you. Let me tell you what it does. Does it tell you right here?
A lightweight treatment that delicately targets visible signs and aging with black, summer, and white truffles for a firmer feeling area A. Direction. After cleansing, gently press onto the eye area morning and night to use a tapping motion to maximum absorption.
I might use this. We'll see. I do like my Sunday Riley. No. Well, I do like my Sunday Riley serums, but I use a Saturday Skin eye mask and it's amazing. I love that one. No, eye lotion, eye cream. And then, is that it? Wow, this was fast. The last thing was this Sensuals Brightening Body Scrub. Ooh, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Okay, you're intriguing. Let's open you up. Sealed, we like that. You know what brand used to send me stuff? No, I did not buy off of them. Send me stuff was not sealed. I used to work with Glossybox, like the first year I opened my channel, and they would send me like PR for a year. And they would always send me like stuff like this. Didn't have the cap, and then the stuff would like explode all over the bag. Like, why? How hard is it to just put a little piece of foil on it? Like, how hard? You know? That smells good. That smells like oranges. I will use this. I will definitely use this. Brightening Body Scrub. How do I use this?
Use 1 to 3 times a week. Okay. Apply to wet skin. Gently massage with circular motions. Rinse 3 for best results. Follow with brightening serum and body lotion. So this is like the last step. So after you
you cleanse your body gel or whatever. Ooh, that is the body scrub. Don't mind my swatches. That was from my previous video. Can I put it back? Wait, can I put it back? I don't want to waste product. We're in a recession here. Gas is like $6 where I'm at. Freaking thing. Guys, California is expensive. Highly do not recommend. Only if you have the means. Okay, that body scrub, I might use, TBH. This was $24. See, this is the most reasonable price to me because it's huge. It's a body scrub and it's 20 bucks. Like, I think I would use that. And it has hyaluronic acid, which is really great for your skin, and vitamin C as well. It, you know, clears up any dark spots that you have. So overall, not mad at it. I see the summer vibes. I see it with the cooler, right? I see it with the towel, which I'm okay with these. I'm okay with this, and I'm okay with this. I don't know if these two I would pick. Maybe I would pick these two, or maybe I would do them as add-ons. But I'm kind of sad that I didn't see what else they had, but it's okay. It's an alright box. It's not the worst box. I've had worse that I've chosen. That's saying something, okay? The choices were horrible. I forgot which box was it. Which one was it? Oh, was it summer of last year or fall of last year? It was just like, it was bad. Like, it was bad. It wasn't. This I think is actually worth the $60 that I pay. I think I pay $60 annually. It does drop it down, like you pay like a lump sum for like $2 something. And you know, but I think it's $60. But I think if you pay seasonally, so if you do like summer, spring, what's after spring? Oh, summer, spring, summer, fall, winter. If you do it that, like if you just, you know, or you skip a season or this and that, then it's more pricey, and sometimes your choices are like 2-3 weeks after the annual members, and then some of the stuff is already sold out by the time you choose. But in this instance, I kind of wish they would have just kept it open, like for the time that it could have been seasonal for me to go in and choose it. Did I just miss the whole thing? Am I really late? Can you let me know? Am I really late to this? Like, am I super late, or I just don't know? Anyways, yeah, that was the video. Like I said, 4 out of 6 items isn't bad. These two, I don't, why do we have brushes in a lifestyle box? I get that you need makeup brushes, like I get, but why? Why cheap brushes? I don't get it. Sure, will probably never work with me. That's perfectly okay. That is okay. It's okay. Don't love them. Anyways, thank you so much for coming. My name is Sally. If you haven't been here, welcome. We do a lot of clothing hauls, unboxings on this channel. I have a whole Fabfitfun playlist that I will link down below in the description box. I am doing a giveaway, I think in my next video after this, so tune into that. I think it's the Jeffree Star unboxing mystery box. So if I don't think I did. I think I'm gonna post this one first. After this video, I will post that video, and I do have a giveaway, like a pretty decent giveaway in that video, and I just reached 3,000 subscribers, and I will do my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Just give me some time. It's been a little hard for me emotionally and mentally for a past, I feel like I've been on autopilot for like 6 months already. I think more than that. So I'm finally getting back in the groove of things, so just give me a little bit of time. I will set up my 3,000 subscribers, and then just, you know, subscribe for future content, because I have a bunch of Temu hauls coming up. I have Shein on the way. I have 2 Shein orders on the way. And yeah, thank you so much for coming. My name is Sally, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.